Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing this GoPro Hero 8 Black that I bought from Costco. It's a bundle, so it comes with a bunch of stuff, and I'm just going to show you what's included. Alright, so when you buy it from Costco, it comes in this bag here, so we got to open that up. Alright, and this is item number 6094088. The box does have the Costco concierge service advertised on the side of it. It's pretty cool if you need technical support.
All Costco concierge representatives are currently assisting other members. Please hold for the next available representative.
I think they disconnected me. Here's the back of it. One thing I found kind of strange is that this printing right here looks like something you'd buy from China. It's kind of like offset and cut off. See how it's like angled? The I and includes is up at the top, and then whatever language that is over on the bottom right. It's very weird. But this is genuine from Costco, so it's probably just a printing error. Alright, let's get to the actual unboxing here. Yeah, there is no way someone could tamper with this unless they had some glue on hand. Oh my god. Not quite frustration free. Alright, let's see what's in here. So in the zipper compartment, we have a tiny little 32 gigabyte card just to get you started. A SanDisk Extreme 32 gigabytes. There's the serial number if you want to look up the lot number or anything fancy like that. It's always good to have a spare. A little GoPro Plus stuff if you want to buy insurance for your GoPro, I guess. I looked into that, and it's actually like $80 or something for the deductible. So a little paper manual here. And there it is. It's got the screen protector on here. I should say the lens protector. Wow, that is nice. Oh yeah. If you're thinking about buying one of these, take note that the USB port is now inside of the battery cover. So your options for using it continuously with a USB charging cable are to buy a replacement battery door for about $10 or the media mod for about $80. Alright, I don't know what this is for. This strip right here is actually to pad the GoPro. Comes with 2 GoPro stickers. Great for putting on your car so people know that you have valuable electronics inside. A USB-C cable. Here's the 2 batteries, which is one of the main reasons I bought this kit, is because these batteries are 19 bucks a piece for a genuine battery. So I basically got a free battery at the very least. I mean, this is still a great deal though, but the battery is where it's at. One downside I will say is that it doesn't come with a separate charger, so each time you want to charge one of these batteries, you have to throw it in the GoPro and charge it to have it. You can get the charger kit that comes with a battery and a dock kind of charger. That's 50 bucks, but probably not going to need the second battery too often. Comes with a little mount with some 3M adhesive on it. And it's got the screw thingy here and the clip for the mount. Has a nice little GoPro label on there. Do note that the mount is actually on the bottom and it's like built in, so yeah, it's made of metal. Nice. And here is the stick mount, which also acts as a floaty, and it's kind of nice because it's orange, so if you lose this you can see the orange floating in the water. Really great for if you want to film in your jet ski, which I plan to do. Okay, so to recap, we have the case, USB cable, 2 batteries, micro SD card, stick thingy, little screw, clip, helmet mount or adhesive mount, padding for the camera, the GoPro, of course, pretty important, spam, stickers, and the manual. So just for reference, I paid $289.99 plus tax in June of 2020. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.